Hello students, welcome to your own class, that is Pramod ki Pathshala. I will be discussing with you the CBSE Standard 10th Science chapter number 2, that is acid, base and salt. So some people find it difficult to understand what is an acid, what is a base. So I am just trying to make the things very clear, very easy for all of you. So I have written some points, that is what is an acid, what's a base, example I have given. Okay. So I would be taking what is an acid, what is a base, and how does they affect your life, how they are the part of your life. Okay, so let's get started. What is an acid? Acid is anything. Acid is anything which produces H plus ion. Okay, which produces H plus ion, which produces H plus ion in water, which produces H plus ion in water, or forms H plus ion when dissolved in water. Same thing is there. Okay, it is one and the same. It is acid produces H plus ion in water, or it produces H plus ion when dissolved in water. That is the same thing. Or you can say it produces H plus ion in its aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means what? Aqueous solution is any solution made in water. Understood? So example is very common, that is HCl. Okay, next one is acetic acid. Next one is H2SO4. Next one is HNO3, etc, etc. Okay, so these things are there. So when it is these things dissolved in water, so they get dissociated. Dissociation means what? Dissociation means what? Just bifurcation of two ions. Let's take example of HCl. When it get dissolved in water, it produces H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Okay, it produces H plus ion and Cl minus ion when get dissolved in water. So it is producing what? It is producing H plus ion, and any substance which produces H plus ion in water is called in what? Acid. Understood? Let's take example of H2SO4. H2SO4 when get dissociated in water, it forms, here I will write H2O so that you can understand. H2O, it will form 2H plus we have two hydrogen atoms, so it will produce 2H plus ions plus HSO4 2 minus ion. Okay friends, so what it is producing? It is producing H plus ions, and that's what our particular definition says. I hope you might have understood the thing. Next we will go to the base. What is a base? Base is anything or substance which produces OH minus ion. OH minus ion in same medium, that is in water. Okay, it is anything which produces OH minus ion in water, or OH minus ion in aqueous solution. Okay, aqueous solution. Okay, so base is anything which produces OH minus ion in its aqueous solution, or it produces OH minus ion when dissolved in water. Is it okay? Example, let's take example, that is NaOH, KOH, CaOH twice, etc. that is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and so on. So when NaOH get dissolved in water, when it get dissolved in water H2O, it produces two ions, that is Na plus and OH minus. As it is producing OH minus, it is considered as base as per definition. Understood? Next is what? I will take example of KOH. When KOH get dissolved in water, it produces K plus OH minus ion. As it is producing OH minus ion, it is considered as base. And what is a salt? Now, salt. Salt is a mixture of both positive ion and negative ion. This positive ion is considered as cation and negative ion is considered as anion. So salt is a combination of both cation and anion. Okay. Salt is a combination of cation and anion. I hope you might have understood the thing. If you have liked this video, just comment on it. I will make another video, or subsequent video will come after this particular video. I am uploading this video, and after your responses I would be definitely making subsequent videos. Thank you so much.